Division Level 1. Let's have a look at what happens when we share things out. Here I've got 6 carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to share them out between 3 guinea pigs. Here are my 3 guinea pigs, so let's share the 6 carrots between them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see that each of them has 2 carrots. 2 for this guinea pig, 2 for this guinea pig, and 2 for this guinea pig. So 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Let's see how we would write that. So I've got 6. That was the 6 carrots, divided by 3. I was sharing it between 3 guinea pigs, equals 2. Each guinea pig got 2 carrots. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Let's have a look at that on a number line. Okay, let's try it on the number line. 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So I'm going to count in 3s until I get to 6. And I'm going to use Jolly and his number line to help me. So I'm going to start at the beginning, but I'm counting in 3s, and I'm going to stop when I get to 6. 3, 6. I've got to 6, so I've stopped. Where have I stopped? At 2. So the answer is 2. Let's have a look at that using our fingers. So I'm going to count on my fingers in 3s until I get to 6. 3, 6. How many fingers have I used? 2. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Let's try another one. 9 divided by 3. So first of all, we'll do it with the carrots and the guinea pigs. Here I have a pile of 9 carrots, and I'm going to share them between the 3 guinea pigs. Let's see how many they get. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've shared them out, and how many carrots does each guinea pig have? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each guinea pig has 3 carrots. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Let's have a look at that on the number line. 9 divided by 3. Using my number line, I'm going to count in 3s until I get to 9. So let's use Jolly. 3, 6, 9. I've reached 9, and which number am I on? I'm on number 3. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And I can show that on my fingers. I'm going to count in 3s until I get to 9. 3, 6, 9. How many fingers have I used? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Let's try 10 divided by 2. So I'm going to share 10 carrots between 2 guinea pigs. Here's my pile of 10 carrots, and I've got 2 lucky guinea pigs. So let's share them out and see what happens. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've shared them out. How many carrots does each guinea pig have? Well, let's have a see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's see that on a number line. I'm going to count in twos until I get to 10, and then I'll see what number I'm on. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I've reached 10 and I'm on number 5. So 10, when I'm counting in twos, gets me to 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Let's try that on our fingers. So I'm going to count in twos until I get to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And I've used 5 fingers, so the answer is 5. Let's try 8 divided by 4. I'm going to share 8 carrots between 4 guinea pigs. Four, 8. And as you can see, they each have 2 carrots. So 8 divided by 4 is 2. Let's try that on the number line. 8 divided by 4 equals 2. I'm dividing by 4, so I'll count in 4s until I get to 8. 4, 8. And I've landed on number 2. The answer is 2. Let's just check that on our fingers. I'm going to count in 4s until I get to 8. 4, 8. The answer is 2. Let's try one more. 6 divided by 2. How many will these 2 guinea pigs get when I share these 6 carrots between them? Let's have a see. 2, 4, 6. I've shared the carrots between the 2 of them. How many did each one get? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Let's have a look at that on the number line. I'm dividing by 2, so I'm going to count in twos. And I'm going to count up to 6 and see what number I land on. 2, 4, 6. I've got to 6, counting in twos, and the answer is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Let's try that on our fingers. So counting in twos until we get to 6. 2, 4, 6. I've used 3 fingers. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. Turn to page 2 in your workbook and we'll work through some problems together. The first question is 15 divided by 3. So you can fill in the missing bits in that first question. In 15 divided by 3, we're going to count in threes until we get to 15. So using our fingers, we're going to count in threes. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I've used 5 fingers, so the answer is 5. And we're going to check that using our abacus. So we're dividing by 3, so we'll use 3 sticks. Turn to page 2 in your workbooks and we'll do the first question together. 15 divided by 3. So first of all, I'm going to try it on my fingers. And because we're dividing by 3, I'm going to count in threes and I'm going to stop when I get to 15. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I've used 5 fingers, so the answer is 5. Let's check that using the abacus. I've got 15 counters, and because I'm dividing them by 3, I'm going to use 3 sticks. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to share the counters between the sticks. And you can try this with your abacus as well. Now we already know from counting on our fingers that the answer is 5. So there should be 5 counters on each stick. Let's just check. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. And you can write the answer in your book. The next question is 20 divided by 5. We're dividing by 5, so we'll count in 5s. And we're going to count up to 20. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20. I've counted to 20. How many fingers did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Let's check that on the abacus. I've got 20 counters, and because I'm dividing by 5, I will need 5 sticks. And I'm going to share the counters between the sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can use your abacus to check the answer. Now when we counted on our fingers, we got 4. The answer was 4. So we should have 4 counters on each stick. Let's see. Nearly there. One, 2, 3, 4. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 20 counters shared between 5 sticks is 4. Let's try the next one. 14 divided by 2. We're dividing by 2, so I'm going to count in 2s, and I'm going to stop when I get to 14. So if you'd like to write that in, we're going to count in 2s until we get to 14. Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. How many fingers have I used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer is 7. Let's check that on the abacus. We worked out that 14 divided by 2 is 7. So I need 2 sticks, and when I divide these 14 counters, I should have 7 on each one. Let's see what happens. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 14 divided by 2 is 7. We'll do one last one together. 8 divided by 2. So I'm going to count in 2s until I get to 8. So write those figures in. Count in 2s until you get to 8. Let's try it. 2, 4, 6, 8. I've got to 8, How many fingers did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. Let's check that on the abacus. I'm dividing by 2, so I need 2 sticks, and I'm going to put 8 counters shared over the 2 sticks. 2, 4, 6. When we counted on our fingers, the answer was 4. So there should be 4 counters on each stick. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 divided by 2 is 4. Turn to page 3 in your book and try the sums there on your own. Pause the video while you do them, and then stop the video again to see if you got them all right. Let's see if you got them right. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. 7 fingers altogether. 25 divided by 5 equals 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. 5 fingers altogether. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 10 fingers. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Counting in twos, I used 5 fingers to get to 10. Well, I hope you got those right, and don't forget to do the rest of your workbook during the following few days. Well done.